Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing of Girls' Generation, the best live at Tokyo Dome tour. Oh my gosh, I love Girls' Generation and I love their Japanese tours. I love all their tours. I just love Girls' Generation. I really do. Like, I love them so much, and I love their Japanese tours. I don't know why. I feel like because I feel something. I feel like they dance so much harder, more intense in our Japanese releases. I don't know. And I'm just gonna say my favorite song on here is their new song, Chain Reactions, like the one that they put out on here. Of course, by now it's Catch Me If You Can, but I just love Girls' Generation and their Japanese releases. So anyway, now that I'm rambling too much, this is the front of this beautiful cover, and this doesn't come with like a behind the scenes video like it usually does. And I thought I bought the special edition, but the DVD edition with the booklet, of course I always get that. So let's start off. I'm gonna give you the DVD first. And this is the front. The side. And the back. Or maybe this is the front. I keep forgetting. Okay. And it comes with one CD. That's the back, and this is the front. I got this from eBay, so just in case someone wanted to know. Now, the booklet, and this is very thick. This is very thick compared to the other tour. This is very thick, and also this is I think their first tour without Jessica, and they did pretty solid. They did pretty good. I'm not gonna say it got better when Jessica left the group, but it's like more people are singing and more people are getting that spotlight, and I love that. I like that. And besides, you know, I just love this tour. I got so excited just watching it and putting it in my DVD player. I love it. I love it. And you can tell they're trying their best, you know, and they're doing what they have to do, and I think that's awesome. I don't know what I'm talking about right now, but I just like, look at Taeyong. Look at Taeyong. They look so good. And that fire, oh my god. I did not look through this. Like I didn't look through all the pages, I just skimmed through it. So this is like a first reaction type thing. It looks so good. I really should turn on a light, or open the blinds. Alright, I will be look so much better now that the light's on. So now you can look at it as awesome. Look at them and look how awesome they are. Oh my god. Look at them. They look so good. So good. So good. Look at Tiffany. Look at you now. I don't like those dresses. I don't. I really don't like those dresses. I don't think you're supposed to like those dresses. See, look. Like, I don't get it. I mean, they look beautiful in them. I don't like the dresses. Like, they look like they're about to fly or something. The train. Like, it's funny because they walk out and then they try to catch the next trailer thing, because they got step out and jump back in. See how young right there? She was trying to get back in there. And honestly, as the tour started going on, as the performances, I stopped thinking about Jessica. I mean, I thought about her, but it's like now it's like, well, now they're starting a new page, and I'm ready for it. You know, I'm not here hating. I'm not going, you know, and you know, if it was up to me, Jessica would have stayed in the group, but there's just sometimes stuff happens when, you know, you just can't. Trying to Oh, and they do not, this is not English subtitles. I don't know why they don't do that. They got every other subtitle but English. And I don't want to know what they're, I don't want to have subtitles when they're saying, but when they're talking, I don't know what they're talking about. But, you know. I got a boy. That's what they're performing. I hate when they do that. Like when people are right in the crease of this. Understand? So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh yeah, and this DVD is all region, so you won't have a problem with trying to play it. See? All region. So anyway, and like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, until next time, bye.